So yesterday we have seen about Salesforce environment and how to create app and all we have seen. So now we can see how to create object, how to create field, and how to create record. We'll see. See, generally, if you want to create any file, I'm sorry, if you want to save any data in your file, first thing we should have one table or we should have some fields. For example, just think this is your application. So in this, you want to prepare one table. Okay. So we can prepare a table like this. And here we can put our fields. I mean, how which kind of data we require, so that based on that we can save the data. For example, now I'm going to prepare one school attendance. So I prepared one table here, and things I'm preparing like this. So now our table is ready and our headings also ready. So now I'm going to enter my data. So student name,
Charging and go up and sleep. Go. Get the charging.
so this is the data. I have prepared these objects. I'm sorry, these records. So now I can see how we'll do it the same in Salesforce. So in Salesforce language, I prepared this table, right? For the table, we can call it as object in Salesforce language.
Mhm.
And we have created this headings, right? So we can call
Field.
these headings as fields. Yesterday I discussed, I believe,
Yeah.
fields. And whatever the data we are saving into the fields, those things we can call as records. Okay. So yesterday we have seen how to create application. Now we can see how to create object. Coming to object, we'll be having two types of objects. One is a standard object.
Custom object.
Yes, exactly. Custom. Standard object in the sense whichever providing by the Salesforce side from Salesforce automatically. I mean, standardly, defaultly we'll be getting few objects, right? Like account, leads, contact, opportunities, reports and dashboards. So all these things we can call it as standard objects. So these standard objects will be getting in all kind. Will be getting all kind of clouds like sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud. In every cloud, these standard objects will be there because that depends on this only cloud services will work. Okay, these
Mhm.
things I'll explain you in sales cloud and service cloud. So now, I'm sorry. Now we can see how to create object. So
Mhm.
I think you haven't prepared application, right, from your side.
No.
So if you don't mind, I'll make you host now. Can you please your screen sharing? Before that, just prepare your user ID and password. Give me a minute.
No. You're asking about the Salesforce developer edition.
Yes, yes.
I have it. I have it.
Okay. So will you please share your screen and can you create one application arc for you to practice it? In case if you have any
Yeah.
doubt, I'll guide you now. So that's the reason I asked. Give me a
Okay.
minute.
But I'm logged in with the iPad. Just give me 2 minutes, then I'll log into the
Yeah, sure.
laptop. Then
Sure, sure.
I'll share my screen.
Because first 2 days you'll be having a lot of work to create a few objects and fields and records, because next topic will be relationships between objects. For that we required more objects, so that is the reason I asked.
Sure.
Give me a minute, I'm making you as a host. Yeah, I gave access to you. Now you can share the screen.
Are you able to see?
Yes, I can see. So now can you prepare, can you create one application for you, for an application arc for you?
Oh, an application.
Yeah, give me a minute, I'll guide you. So go to that profile. Yes, click on that. Yes, just switch to classic. I'll teach you both.
Sure.
Switch to classic. I thought your name would be Vidya. I forgot it.
Vijaya.
Okay.
Vijaya.
Okay. So now you can see all standard objects in your tab bar. As you selected marketing
Okay.
cloud, so you can see all standard objects. So now you can create your own org. So go to setup, right side, click on setup. Once you click on setup, left side you'll be getting few options like administer, builder, build. Come down. No, come down.
Ram, your voice is tracking.
Yeah. Is it okay for you now?
Yes. Is the
Okay.
release update or
1 minute.
administrator?
Administer. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Yes, you can see build here. So in under build, you can see customize and create. Don't click on create. Don't click on create. Before create, there is a play button option, right? Click on that play button.
This one?
Yes, click on
Create?
that. Yes. If you click on that, you'll be getting all the options. Like whenever you want to create something, you'll be getting all the options here.
Okay.
So click on apps now.
Okay.
So here you'll be having all standard objects. So now we are going to create one new custom object. So just click on new. And console, don't touch console as of now. I'll tell you later why it is. Now go to customer, just click on next, and you can create app label as per your wish. Any company name, any fake company name, you can put it anything.
Minecraft.
Yeah, okay. So while you're typing anything in app label, app name will take it automatically.
Okay.
Description, you can give it as per your wish. You can keep it as a training purpose. Yeah, click on next. And insert option, this will be our future topic. I mean, if you have any logo for your application, you can keep your logo there. So that is a future topic. I'll teach you later. So just click on next now. And right side, left side, you can see all standard objects.
Yes.
Not only standard objects, whichever you created, custom tabs also, custom objects also will be getting it. So now you created a new arc, so that doesn't, don't take anything. So leave it as a home and click on next.
Okay.
Default tab will be home. Click on next. Yes. Now here, left side, you can see profile. Under profile, you can see different types of names: analytics, cloud, integration user, etc., etc. So going forward, we can see what is mean by profile. Profile is nothing but it's one kind of department in the organization. So we'll discuss in future classes. Now we can click on visible for all the profiles. Just click on visible for all the profiles. Yeah, and go to next. Sorry, click on save. So now go to that marketing tab. I mean top of the right side. Not this one. Top of the right side. Yes, here. Click on that. Here you can see your app name. Yes, click on that. Now you have entered in your application. There is only home button is available.
Yes.
So now what we are going to do is, for this application, I mean, as per your client request, you have created one separate application for your client, and now you want to save some data into the CRM. So to save the data, we need a table, right? That means object. So now we are going to create object fields. Once we created objects and fields, we can start uploading the data in records.
Okay.
I hope you understand now.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, okay.
I can.
So will you please give me the access for me as a host so that I can share my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So now I'm going to prepare one object. So procedure will be the same. As usual, I need to go to setup. And again, I'll come down and I'll click on create. Here, I can see objects.
Yeah.
So I'll click on objects. And I'll create a new custom. All here we can get all custom objects and stand objects both.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'll click on a new custom object. And can you give me any name of object? Like okay, I'll prepare job positions.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, it takes automatically plural names. Okay.
Yes,
It's
automatically
okay.
will take it. And a record name I'm giving as a job position name itself, or else here if you want to keep it a record name as some other thing, we can keep it like a job position. We can leave it job position. We can leave it, or else job position available. Something we can put it. So as of now, I'm keeping as a job position name
Okay.
and
So
data
data
type. Data type. Hope
text.
you understand what is the data type.
Yeah.
So
Data type is text.
if you keep it as text, it will be text message. I mean, text format will go. If you keep it
Yeah.
as auto number, we'll be having different format. Like
Okay.
you need not to enter anything for record, like 01, 02, 03 like that. Automatically it will take it. For that, we have different formats. You can see here example.
Okay. 00. And that means 4 digits will come.
Yes,
Up to 4 digits we can
up
give
to
the
4
name.
is we can give the name, number.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So as of now, I'm giving as a text.
Text. Okay.
And coming to optional features, here if you click on allow reports, allow activities, track a field history, then only we'll be getting, we'll be having access to create reports. And we have future topics like workflow rules, approval process, etc., etc. If you don't click on these tabs, we won't be having access to create reports. We won't be having access to uh, assign any task to any other person on this object. So as of now, don't touch anything. This is our future
Okay.
topics. I'll explain
Okay.
everything.
Okay.
So directly, I'm coming down for object creation options. So here,
What
first
is
one
the
is,
deployment status? In
yeah,
deployment or deployed? It's already deployed one?
yeah,
No,
yeah.
right?
1 minute, 1 minute. Yesterday we discussed one thing: sandbox and production arc. Did you remember?
Production, right? Sandbox.
Yeah.
Sandbox and production.
Okay. A deployment in the sense whichever we are
This is
moving to
in
the production.
sandbox, developer sandbox.
Oh, no, no. We are keeping into production arc. So practicing purpose only, right? So we are not touching anything in sandbox. So if it is sandbox, we'll put it in
Yes.
development. If it is sandbox.
Okay.
So once
Mm-hmm.
testing is completed, everything is okay
Okay.
in sandbox, then
Okay.
we'll send it to deployment. That is different format. Once course is completed, I'll teach you how it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now object creation. So add notes and attachment
Sure.
related to the default page layout. Page layout also our future topic. Now you need not to touch this. Just click on this, launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. That
Mm-hmm.
means here after home, I can see my object here. If I
Option.
click on this, okay, I'm clicking on save.
Okay.
And tab style, they'll be providing different tab styles here.
If you
If you
want to
want to
create
create,
more, you can say you can click on
if you
save
have
and
any
leave,
logo,
right?
if you have any logo here, you can insert. If you have any logo for
Sure.
your company. So as of now, I'm giving randomly.
Okay.
Clicking on next.
Is it mandatory, the logo,
It's not mandatory.
when we are
Optional.
working?
Yes, it's not mandatory. Optional. As per client request, if he requested,
Okay.
we can go with the logo. So now job
Okay.
position
It
object is
depends on
came
the
on.
company to company.
Yes. Now you can see object here, job position, and here you can see all the information about
Yeah.
object. So I'm just clicking on job position. See here. This is a table format in normal language. If you click on new, we'll be getting only one field.
Okay.
How we are getting only one field here? While we are creating the object, it shows right.
Because we
Yes, yes. So it is a standard field. So we can't delete this. It is a standard
yes.
field. Okay, now you can understand how to create object. So coming to fields, this kind of fields, job position name, and job position name we gave, and next what could be the which
Name
kind of
number.
field we can give. For example, there is a job positions in one consultancy, so position name will be
Employee number.
like
Job description. Okay.
tester.
Company name.
Okay, so next we'll keep it
Architect or
field name.
developer.
Okay, field
BA.
name will create as employee number. Sorry, first we'll keep it as company name. So to create another field, yesterday while we are discussing, I said 1 minute. So here, Salesforce will give ready-made application SaaS. We have seen what is the those applications here. We have seen, and we discussed one more thing: platform as a services. Force.com, how it will work, we can see. Once you click on any object, right side, you'll be having this arrow symbol. If you expand this, we can get it all the information about the object. So we can call it as a force.com page. So here for this particular object, if you want to create any field, you can see here view fields. You can enter into object, and if you scroll down here, you can see custom fields and relationships. So here, if you click on new, we can get all data types.
Okay. Selection of the data types below. Auto name.
Yeah, depends on data type. We need to select here data type. So
It's text or
you see
text
here,
area. Okay.
yeah, if you see here, student name will be string,
Okay.
student roll number will be
Um,
integer, teacher name again string. Coming to marks, it's a percentage. So same thing, we'll be having here different types of data type, like URL, time, text area in the sense, if you need any description long text, that time we'll go with text area with long, pick list, person, number, etc., etc. You can see later after completion of this class. So now I'm going with text area, as we are
okay.
mentioning company in a name. Okay, so clicking on
Okay.
next. So field label, I'm giving company. So length, it is asking I can give 20 digits, and here it is.
Okay.
If you click on required, whenever you are saving the record in the object, you must and should we need to enter this field. If you click on required, so as of
Ram,
now,
your voice is cracking. I can't hear you. Hello.
yeah, now is it okay?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You're telling about the
Yeah,
required,
required
right?
field. So
Yeah.
required field in the sense, 1 minute, I'll show you once again
Required.
here. In job positions, this is a field. So before the field, we have one red line here, right? It indicates to required field. So if without entering this field, without fill up this field, you won't save any record in the object. So same kind of option here it is available. So if you give, if you make it as a required, then that field shows as a required field. If once you fill that field, then only record will get saved.
Okay.
So now I'm giving required, and unique field. Unique field also will be the same. It's like a case sensitive. Whichever you are giving, it will be asking the same, and it will show. We'll see this in another field. External field also same. We'll see in another field. I'm just creating one field now. Next, save. So now I'm going to click on just refresh here.
Next.
See, job position name and company. This is a custom field, sorry, a standard field, and this is custom field. Now we can see how record will get saved. Tester, and company name will be
Okay.
IBM, and I'm saving it.
IBM. Okay.
Now you can see the record details here, and here you can
Yes.
see owner name and last modified date. These all are defaultly will be getting it from Salesforce side. Owner, last modified date, all these buttons, and we have another module. We have another module like how to create custom button and custom location, etc., etc. That is our future topic. So
Okay.
this is how we can create fields. So can I have a few more fields? I mean, if we require any job positions in any consultancy or any some other job portal, which are the requirement we need to have? Job position name, company, and one more.
Name, number, and job ID also there sometimes.
Okay, job ID. Okay, we'll go
Or
with number.
salary. Yeah.
Experience. Okay,
Experience.
required experience will keep it as required experience.
Department. ID.
Okay, so I'm creating 1 minute. I'll guide you with navigation. See, we have two kinds of option. One is here. If you click on this, you can see all view fields. You can click on it. And another one, if you click on this object, 1 minute. Another one will be just go to objects again.
Okay. We did last time.
Yes, yes. CTech solution. Job positions, right? 1 minute. Yes, job positions. So if you click on edit, you can enter this page, not this one.
Yeah.
Click on job positions directly, then you will be getting this page directly. So here, custom fields and relationships. Just click on it. So what you suggested, employee ID or something? What you said?
Employee ID or job name, job number or department.
Okay,
Or experience, number of experience.
Okay, experience will give. So
Number.
experience can we give with the number or text?
And text.
Okay.
It's selected only text. It's only one thing you can select.
Only one data type we can select.
Okay. Number allows user any number of 0 to remove. Okay. It's a text combination letters and numbers.
Yeah,
okay,
1 minute. It's going to be logged out. Please log in once again.
Sure.